it on a timer?
It's video.
Hey, look!
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be here at the beach with my family. It's gonna be really fun. I haven't been here so long, so I will take you guys with me. Hope you guys like it. Oh my gosh, you can see everything. Hi. What the heck?
Oh my god. Someone hold their hand like this. Grab his. You grab his hand. You grab. Something's gonna happen. I said grab, not play.
I think my was.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. There's not a star in heaven like you. Yeah, the sunblock.
I think I lost, that's okay.
No, I stopped right in front of the finish line. No more beating.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
What's up?
So right now we're walking to the beach right now, and we might drown.
Foreign contaminant.
We gotta be more active. We gotta be like, come on, this way.
Gotta be at water spring.
Hey, we gotta take a little bit higher. What's up? It's hot.
Hey.
That's cute.
Hey guys,
It's about 2:41 and we're getting lunch. Yeah. Bro, we're freaking tired. Thank you. I got a rice bowl chicken roast.
He's not.
We're going to the runoff rapid.
So good on my back.
So we got our floaties and I think we're gonna go up here to this one.
It's lit.
Hi.
I just farted.
You.
Can't keep my head above water.
Yeah, this is so much better.
Can't help but feeling like I'm falling. Cause if it's normal, I feel wrong. Being drunk don't feel the same. Better daydream, feeling all alone. I hate making all the things I know.
Again? Mine was fine. It was like all open.
No, it wasn't the last one. That was so nice.
You like it?
Yes, I did. I liked it.
It was so fun.
Mine was like a smooth, like.
Oh, mine was. Wait, you went to the middle one? I went to the other one.
The last one.
I want to go there. Was it fun?
Yeah, the middle one's where it's at. I'm sitting there like, oh, Santa Maria! Santa Maria! Papi!
It was fun. It was like all open. It was like really chill.
Oh, it's open?
Yeah.
Yeah, the middle one
I
dropped.
thought the other one was open.
Wow, the water's perfect. Getting into the lazy river now. Yay! Hi guys.
So hi guys, so today we're going to talk about Skittles and why they are just sometimes too much. So by the way, right now we're on the laziest river ever because we could be going on any ride ever, but we're apparently just chilling over here, like wasting time of the day when there's only 2 hours left of the party. You know, happy wife, happy life. Even though she's not a wife, you know, I found a wife. You know, somebody
Oh, this view.
Hello.
Hi.
What's up? Hello. Is it recording right now? What's up, guys? My name is Elmer. I'm with my new friend. Just kidding, it's not my new friend. My new best friend. That's what it is. We're out here at Blizzard Beach. I don't even know if I got the right frame. I don't know who I'm talking to, but you know what's up, man. My hair is out of control. Long hair, don't care. Anyways, I'm out.
Un río que es más lazy que, mira.
Oh no! I got it.
You hit Ashton in the head.
Like I'm falling, 'cause if it's normal, I feel wrong. Being drunk don't feel the same anything.
I had fun. Did you have fun? I did. It was fun. It was really fun. It was a good water park day because it's like not too crazy, not too like chill, and I like what time it closes. It wasn't too busy because like the lines weren't that bad. Like it's not a long closing time, so it's like it's not till like 9 p.m. you know, because Matthias would stay the whole thing. We would literally stay like all day.
What's up? We're on the search for a mango smoothie.
I'm really craving, like I'm so thirsty. I heard there was a pina colada somewhere around here, but it's about 6:10 and they're about to close. We're about to go to see if they have pina colada or smoothies. Snacks, beverages.
So we have no luck finding a mango smoothie.
Not even like any kind of smoothie. Did you see me? Hope Mariano has smoothies. And also, it's about to rain. Bro, literally every single water park we go to, it rains. We're now leaving. We are totally changed. About to rain. Happy birthday.
I think we're doing like a water test.
There's so many glasses.
What do you give that? Can we get 20 cups of water?
Happy birthday, dear Matthias.
Happy birthday to you.
They got cameras for days. Hi.
You want to do it again? Blow your mouth.
Sorry. I've only had last time I had a birthday like 365 days ago.
Daddy chip.
Hey.
Oh, I seen that.
It's gonna hurt your leg, bro. No, I gotta stand on it.
I'll tell you when it hurts. You kick my phone.
Sideways?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
It's good. Okay, I'm gonna do it full weight. But you gotta pull me here too. Okay. One more time. No. But you gotta pull me.
This leg or this leg?
Whichever, but you just gotta end up with no this way, the other way. No, the other way. Like that. No, sideways.
No.
The other side way, right there.
Break my leg. Let me try it on you, Matthias.
What if us girls do it?
I'm not doing that.
We all do that.
I'm not doing that, man. I'm not doing that.
I ain't doing it. Yeah, you do it to Jonah. I can try, but I have a skirt on.
What if she does it to you?
She can try. Look at the video.
What to say is
You gotta
stupid.
squat more. You gotta squat more.
I'm not doing that, but I can.
You gotta squat a lot though. Like
You gotta squat.
do a full squat.
Jenna, you gotta squat.
Like
Mina, you know what you're doing, right?
Camilla did it.
What? But technically, she's supposed to.
you gotta put your leg up here.
She has a skirt
How
on.
about do it and we'll hold you? Yes.
I'm not forcing you.
Do it, Michelle.
Do it. Do it, do it. Do it for the gram. Do it for the gram.
I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vlog.
Oi, oi.
Oh, what you doing? Oh.
Oh.
Get some more.
Oh. What is going on? Oh my gosh.
Invisible fight.
What is going on?
Hey, link up, link up.
Put it on your back.
Another thing where you
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so I do want to end this vlog here. I am so glad that you guys came along. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was really happy to coming back to Blizzard Beach after so long, especially, you know, the fact that that we weren't wearing masks and some people weren't either. So I'm really happy. Today was really fun, really relaxing.
And then we had Maggiano's.
That was really good. Good food, good people. So I will catch you guys later. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week.